Welcome to this quick guide on how to use the new search filters on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. If you want to find exactly what you're looking for faster and more efficiently, these filters are a game changer. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you are logged in so you can access all your chats and data. Next, look at the top of the main window and click on the search bar. This bar is where you'll start your search journey. Once you click the search bar, a drop-down menu will appear with several filter options. These include chats, media, links, files, music, voice, and more. Each filter helps refine your search to show only the type of content you want to find. For example, if you are looking for a text conversation with a friend or group, choose the Chats filter. If you want to find a photo, video, or any other media file, select the Media filter. Looking for a specific link that was shared? The Links filter is your go-to. There's also the Files filter to quickly locate documents or other attachments. And for music lovers, the Music filter lets you search only for songs or audio files. If you need to find voice messages specifically, choose the Voice filter to narrow results to just audio recordings. After selecting the appropriate filter, type in your search keywords related to what you're trying to find. It could be a name, a keyword from a conversation, a file name, or anything specific to what you want. Hit enter or click the search icon, and Telegram will instantly display results that match your filter and search terms. This way, no more endlessly scrolling through chats or files. By using these search filters, you save a lot of time and effort navigating through your Telegram conversations and shared content on your PC. Try them out today to make your Telegram experience smoother and more organized.